Welcome to PHP Lessons by Professor Code. We are now in Lesson 3 on the difference between returning by value and returning by reference. In the example script here, we first show returning by value followed by returning by reference. Here, besides the normal executable statements, we make use of a class named foo or FOO to help explain the concepts of returning by value and returning by reference. The foo class consists of one private property named color and one public method named getColor. The getColor method is defined with an ampersand symbol prefixed to it, which denotes that this method may return either a data value or a reference variable. The script starts with defining an object variable named OX, which is used to store an instance of the foo class. Then on the next line, we invoke the getColor method of the object variable OX. This returns the value or content of the color property, which value is then assigned to another variable named X. In the next line, the X variable is then set to the string value red. Then we echo the color property to query its current value, and we discover that its value has remained unchanged, which is expected as the variable X and the color property cannot be linked together by a return by value operation, and thus are not aliases of one another. For return by reference, we also call the getColor method on the OX variable, but just before that, in addition to prefixing the ampersand symbol to the method definition, the method call is also prefixed with an ampersand symbol. This combination signals that we want to return an alias or variable instead of data. As a result of this call or return by reference, the variable X now becomes an alias of the color property. The next line assigns the string value red to the variable X. Then on the final line, after echoing the value of the color property, we find out that it has been changed, which is what we expect, since both the variable X and the color property had been bound together by the return by reference operation. That ends Lesson 3. So until the next lessons, this is Professor Code signing off.